Girl. Hi. Do you have any hobbies?
Boy. Yes, I like drawing a lot.
Oh, nice. Drawing is relaxing.
Yes, it makes me feel calm.
What do you like to draw?
I draw trees and mountains.
That sounds very beautiful.
Thanks. I try my best.
I like reading storybooks.
Storybooks are fun to read.
Yes, they take me to new worlds.
I want to read more too.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, I listen every evening.
Music helps me feel happy.
Same. It changes my mood.
Do you have weekend plans?
I want to paint this weekend.
I will read a new book.
Nice. We both enjoy quiet hobbies.
Okay, I will go now.
Sure. Talk to you later.
Yes, message me anytime.
I will. Have a good day.